In this video, we'd like to show you how easy it is to set up your Eve Aqua Smart Water Controller. In the box, you will find the manual with the home kit setup code. You will want to keep this in a safe place for future uses. Eve Aqua, a hose connector, 2 AA batteries. Insert the batteries. Insert the batteries by pulling apart the enclosure using both hands. Push the battery compartment cover towards the middle by applying gentle force on both sides. Pull the compartment cover upwards to fully remove it. Insert the right battery by placing it on the spring on the bottom and pushing it on the top. Place the left battery at an angle towards the spring at the top and push in the bottom. Reinsert the compartment cover and close it by pushing on both sides. Align the front of the enclosure with the back and close it by pushing gently. Mount the hose connector. Next, attach the hose connector to the bottom end of the device. Add to Eve app. Eve Aqua can be installed using Apple's Home app or the Eve app, which is available for free from the Apple Store. We recommend using the Eve app because it offers more features, such as setting schedules. If this is your first Eve device, open the app and click on Add Accessory. If you've used the Eve app before, go to Settings and add Eve Aqua. Select the room where Eve Aqua is located and choose a name. Choose a name and specify a sprinkler zone. Install Eve Aqua. Now it's time to connect Eve Aqua to your faucet. Make sure the water is off and carefully screw on the device. Ensure the screw cap is properly seated and fitted tightly. Do not use a tool to tighten the screw cap. That could damage the device. We recommend using a cloth or rag to ensure the cap is screwed on tightly. Now connect a sprinkler or watering system, and you're ready to go. Now turn on the faucet and activate Eve Aqua by pressing the button on the device, using a Siri voice command or via the app. Eve Aqua offers many useful additional features in the Eve app. Among the most convenient features are schedules. Tap the settings icon to set up separate programs with one or more watering periods for specific days. Once you set up a schedule, it will be transferred to the device so that watering will automatically activate even if Eve Aqua isn't connected to your home hub. Next, you can adjust the default watering duration. This tells Eve Aqua how long to run if you turn it on manually via the button, app, or voice command. Below, you will see your estimated water consumption. This is calculated based on the flow rate, which you can adjust in the settings of Eve Aqua. The accessory settings can be easily accessed by expanding the header and tapping the settings icon. Determine your flow rate by running the water for 1 minute into a bucket and then measuring the volume. If you have a sprinkler system, the flow rate should be found in your user instruction manual. In the accessory settings, you can also activate the child lock. That turns off the button on the device, preventing it from being turned on accidentally. You've now successfully installed and learned all about Eve Aqua. Enjoy your greenery! Hey Siri, turn on my sprinkler.